Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to play GTA Definitive Edition with the broken Rockstar Games launcher. As you might know, the launcher is down for almost 24 hours now, and I just figured a way how to play without the launcher working. So what you need to do is open up the launcher. You can see offline mode, not available. Then you have to find your dedicated exe. So you need either Vice City, GTA 3 or San Andreas.exe. Next, you just open as administrator a couple of times. And now my recording program just died. So you're just going on, clicking and clicking, spamming the shit out of it, and eventually it will open. Alright, so now I'm trying to hit play after I did this. And as you can see, the game opened. And here we go, GTA San Andreas Definitive Edition on November 12, 2021 with the broken launcher which says you can't play. Obviously you can. Just to verify, it's the Definitive Edition. I'm on PC, and yeah. So, if it helped you, let me know in the comments. Have a nice one playing GTA. See you later.